Season 1 Episode 7. Classic Caillou throws my phone into the volcano/grounded.
Man, why does Leela the Plotagon girl keep making grounded videos out of me? What should I do? I know, I'm going to throw Leela the Plotagon girl's phone into the volcano. Ha 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 ha. Okay, here's her phone, let's take it. Okay, now time to teleport to the volcano by using Plotagon logic. Plotagon logic, activate. Hooray! I made it to the volcano. Now let's throw her phone into the volcano. Okay, now time to go home.
Meanwhile at my house. What the? Where is my phone? I know who did this, it was Classic Caillou. I'm calling his parents.
Hello.
Hello boys, I'm calling you because Classic Caillou threw my phone into the volcano. Can you ground him please?
What? Oh, I can't believe he did this. I'm grounding him right now.
Thank you, goodbye.
Goodbye.
At Classic Caillou's house.
Classic Caillou, how dare you throw Leela the Plotagon girl's phone into the volcano? You know that phone is expensive? That's it. You're grounded for 2 days. Go to your room right now.
Wah!